Hi everyone, Izumi here. Today I want to show you how to organize your finance on Bereev. So this is a two-part tutorial video. The first part I'm going to talk about organizing your assets, and then the second part will be talking about organizing your liabilities. So today let's talk about adding your assets. So first thing you want to do is go to categories and look for finance. Let's go there. The couple of things that you can add as your assets is number one, your bank accounts. So letting your family know where you bank, how you bank, and then you can also add any insurance policies that you have or insurance coverage. And finally, if you have any retirement funds or pension funds as well. So let's do one quick example. Let's add a bank account. If you haven't added anything yet, this will be an empty page. So let's click on add bank account. So it's pretty standard. First, pick which bank you're banking with. So let's just say I'm doing with Maybank. My account type is savings. Which branch did I open this account at? So let's just put Kuala Lumpur. And finally, my account number. If you have any notes, you can leave them right here. If not, you can just skip it. Once you're done, click add. That's it. So my bank account is now listed under all the bank account lists that I have. If I want to add more, I can just click on add bank account. Now let's go back to finance. There is also an option to add any insurance coverage that you have, your life insurance, health insurance, PA, whatever insurance that you have, you can add them all under here. So we have another video teaching you how to upload your insurance policies. So I'm going to skip that today because the process is pretty much the same. The last thing you can do is down here. So this is basically retirement. If you have any retirement fund, for example in Malaysia you have EPF, KWSP. If you're in Singapore, you have something known as CPF. But if you're a government worker or if you're a public servant, you have your pension fund. Or if you have invested in a separate retirement fund, you can add them here as well. So let's click on edit. And again, it's an empty list until you add some plans. So let's click on add retirement plan. And first of all, you want to say which institution is this fund at. So for me, let's just put my KWSP information, my account number. This is an optional part. You can actually put what was your recent amount of contributions. If you have any beneficiary listed, you can put them here. Or you can skip it because all this information will be with this particular fund. So if you have any notes, you can add them here. If not, you can just skip it and click on next. Now you have the option to add any attachments. So if you have any statements or documents that is relevant to this retirement fund, you can add them here. If not, you can just click on skip. Alright, there it is. So now you're back to your retirement. You have already added your KWSP fund in the retirement section. If you want to review your finances and your assets, just always go to finance, and you can see that you have already added your bank account, you've already added your retirement funds, and you've already added your insurance policies. So if you want to remove any of it, just click on it directly. You can click on remove, or you can even edit it right here. So that's it guys, it's super easy to get your finances organized on Bereev. It's very important for your family to have a clear picture on your real financial situation. So in future, when they do inherit your estate, they will know exactly what they're up against. So that's it from me today. I'll be back again soon with another easy tutorial on how to use Bereev. Bye bye.